the machine, and this bag is for adjusting the distance of the two rulers. This is the hydraulic one, okay? And we see this takes the pipe, and where is the ruler? Here. This is the rulers. Okay, and this pipe, this one is to lubricate the ruler automatically. And the adjusting is here. And this way can adjust the distance of the ruler very easily. No need the mechanic. Not for the man-made, okay, using the machine. And this can reinforce the strength of the boat. Okay, let's see what it works. Okay, 120 millimeters. And this is the ruler. This is the ruler we use for the ruler machine. And different function, we use the different rulers. And this one is for the coal gauge. This one is for the stone. You can see a lot of ruler in stock for our machine. The ruler.